So exactly what makes a good brand? Well, there are lots of things. First and foremost, in order to establish a good brand, you need to know your audience. You need to know who they are, you need to know what they need, and you need to know how you can meet that need. And your brand then meets that need. It's that simple. Find what people want and give it to them. And the brand should reflect your passion, and it should meet the customer's needs so well that they purchase from you and not the competition. And the best brands are unique. Your audience isn't going to confuse your brand with another one. And that means getting the logo right, and it means presenting the brand in a clear and unambiguous way. And brand quality is consistent. People know what they're getting when they visit your website, when they visit your store, and when they purchase your product. And this is delivered over and over again in the same way. And you get plenty of exposure. Your brand gets lots of exposure. People see it so often that they associate it with the product type. And your brand then becomes seared into their subconscious, so that purchasing it, well, it becomes a no-brainer. And your brand keeps out the competition. Your brand performs so well that it's a barrier to entry for potential competitors. And it forces existing competitors to raise their game and or rethink their strategy, and that reduces their profitability, because instead of simply being able to trade over and over again, now they've got to devote some of their effort into keeping out your brand. So they're going to have to now start to change the way that they operate, and that's going to take time, that's going to take money, that's going to distract them from the main focus of their business. And so therefore your brand helps you simplify, helps you sell, and helps you succeed. And finally, your brand strategy has synergy. All the elements of your brand fit together. They fit together offline, they fit together online, like we were showing in the last video where Barnes & Noble work together with their offline and their online presence. It works on social media, and of course it works on sponsorship as well. Now of course, if you have more than one item that you sell, a key question that you have to ask yourself is, do you have one brand for everything, or do you have a different brand for each different product? And we'll cover that in the next video.